Is this a pointer? Probably. Everything's a pointer. Right. Couldn't open format input. Ew. Input format. This is done. Okay, but you're happy with the rest of that? I mean, obviously you don't like the continue. Okay, it's happy with the rest of that. Let's steal these. Let's go back. And let's put these young impressionable chaps here. So we want this to be context, context, context. And this is packet. Do we have any packets here? We do. I don't know about these, but let's put in a to-do. It's not like we don't have precedent for it. Figure out if we need these. Okay, so read header is where, yeah, here we go. Yeah, so what we need to do, AV stream, I think we can basically just copy this. I don't know what the null is, but to be honest, I don't care. Right, and then it wants us to open the device, which we don't need to do, because this device is already in memory. And then we can copy this. S. I don't know about that. Oh, yeah. We can maybe copy this from where we did it previously. We'll take a look at that. So we did set a bunch of stream parameters somewhere. Not here, as it turns out. I think it was further down. I'm gonna have to refactor this a little bit. It's getting a little bit unwieldy to navigate. Though to be fair, we do have a lot of code around that just like shouldn't be there. Like none of this code should be here. I don't think it's this far down. So I think we copied this somewhere, right? Yeah, here. Because we can change it to this format. We need to change the codec to be like raw video or something. But we can deal with that in a moment. That moment is now. Yep, that's fine. This is gonna have to change. This is gonna have to change. And I think that's all we have to do. Yeah, and then reading a packet should be okay. And then the reclose, I don't think we have to do anything. I don't even think we have to free memory. What is this? Oh, that's you have a private buffer. Yeah, we don't have a private buffer. No, this is private data. Yeah, I don't think we need to do anything on close. Congrats. So read packet, we should be able to get away with just copying data across, I think. It'd be nice. Let's see if we can get the codec sorted out. The codec ID and the format, which I think is this, and there's a format somewhere. It's like pixel format. Where are we? We're in the format context? No, I think it's in a stream. Or it's possibly in the codec parameters. Yeah, there's the codec ID. Right, here's the format. AV pixel format. Don't make me go find that. What the hell, man? Yeah, AV pixel format. Okay, so we can do RGB, but that's 24. That's fine. Alpha would be better. Here we go. Yeah. So we can do that. Yeah, and then this should connect to a decoder. Right, but the decoder may not take that. Maybe. I have no idea. I have no idea. I think we're doing RGBA. I'm actually not sure what the order is. And the codec... It's kind of just raw. Like none. First audio, okay. Presume the rest are just audio codecs. And subtitles, okay. Huh. AV frames wrapped in an AV packet. What is this? Pass-through codec. Not known. I mean, it's not that it's not known, there just isn't one. Raw video. So that's AV codec ID raw video. Don't know if that'll work. Okay, and then the read packet. So we need to populate the packet. And I think we've done something like that up here. No, because here we populate a frame. Whereas we need to populate a packet. Oh. Which I think is less involved. I hope. Compressed data. Yeah, if you say so. Encoders are allowed to empty packets with no compressed data containing only side data. Okay. Sure. So I guess we might get screen tearing with this, but I kind of don't care. And what I mean by that is I'm not going to try to synchronize the fact that we're reading. Actually, when does this happen? Does this happen in the same thread? It probably will. So, okay, we won't get screen tearing. But we're going to be reading in this function, but somewhere else we're writing, though it should be in the same thread that we're reading from, so it won't be a problem. But even if it was, I don't really care at the moment. So I think we actually want to copy some of this. In particular, the way that we handle... Let's just copy all of it, and then we'll fix it up.